guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will do another random thing. So I'm gonna open my Chrome. You can see we have a beautiful food delivery application. So I'm gonna open this. What it says easiest way for building a food delivery app in 2022. So we have to read that. We have to. So while it is loading, I'm gonna do something. So best way to resolve or solve a problem. Really? Let me say that. Introduction. This is a concept as well as a skill that everyone must always consider while trying to resolve things or problems. So many things, so many guidelines. So I don't like that. I have my own way of solving my problems. So you can see this one is not running. This is for my server. It's not supported. My server is off from Medium, so I'm gonna use VPN to access this website right now. So I have set up VPN. I'm gonna use the free version, not the premium version, because I don't have money. I'm a poor guy. Don't even ask again, okay? So I'll get the server from US, United States of America. America. While it was connecting, I'm gonna search for another thing. Are you struggling with CSS? Are you? I'm not. I'm good at CSS. I do good thing on CSS. Unity 7.6 out. First major update in the year. So I don't use Unity as well. So bye for that. How I set up my MacBook Pro as a ML engineer in 2022. What is ML engineer? I don't know. I don't even have interest to know that. Scuia theme, is it correct? Scuia, sorry for my typo. Black, elegant, modern and gentle theme for VS Code. Really? VS Code theme? Let me open that. So I think this is connected. Nice. So this looks good. We have some border right on border left on the left side, you can see. Then we have they have to use the background color as yellow, and then they have some bottom tab navigation. We have 5 navigations. One is for home, and one is for maybe what, for location tracking, and another one is search, the notification. This is maybe home, and this is the profile section. Nice. And then on the right side we have machinery grid image section. So this is called machinery grid image, so I like that. Nice. Then what else do I have? The code, step 1, step 2. We have the steps. If we have the code link, I'm gonna grab that code link, because I as a developer, you have to read code, and I have the good ability to read some code. I do read codes of others, so that will help me to get better understand of things. Okay, so if you have chance to read code, do that. So I think we do not have the code link in there. This is maybe an static image of components of UI design. So I'll ignore that, and I have read this one with you guys, so ignore that as well. And this is the theme that says elegant for VS Code. So I'm gonna open the picture. What do you guys think? This is elegant. This is kind of boring because they have to use black and white. So black and white is not. Black and white is good because I like black and white, but in the terminal, in the code editor, black and white is boring because you have to see the problems. You have to see the difference between constants and variables and text. So you have to use colorful things on code editor if you are a developer. Then next image is also boring because this is black and white, and black and white in VS Code nah, nahi hoega. Then nothing in there. I'm gonna close this one and this one as well. Then what do you have next? Deprecated Linux commands you should not use anymore. I do not have Linux, so I'm gonna ignore that. Review creator tells React team you should recommend it right over. I don't understand that, so I'm gonna skip that. 25 plus paid open source programs and internship. Paid internship right now. Let me see. This article is written by an AI. This is looking emoji. I like emojis. And Tinoland Fresh, the next gen web framework. Ignore that. Style your Next.js website faster with Stylify CSS. So I haven't heard that. I haven't heard about Stylify CSS, so I'm gonna open that because nice naming, nice branding of name. So we have 25 internship options, paid internship, table of content, Microsoft, okay, I'm gonna ignore that because I'm doing a job. I don't need internship anymore. Style your Next.js website faster with Stylify CSS. And this is Webpack plugin from Stylify plugins, and then they are doing some shit in there. Oh, they're using class components. I hate class component. I love functional components, so bring that on functional component, okay? I don't even use class component. How dare you to show me class components? Close. Then my dumbest CSS mistake. What was that? Oh, one thing I have noticed. So I used to click on the command, then click on the components to open the tab on new section, new window. So if it is way a waste of time, because if you click on this one, it will open by default on a new tab. So nice. Element display flexbox. Flexbox is kind of hard if you are new at CSS, but in the long run it will good. But one thing, you do not have access you do not have access of grid on the native app development. I mean, if you use React Native, you don't have access on grid things. You have to use flexbox. Gradient, linear gradient. So gradient of 45-degree RGB, 500, 50%, 100%, 90%. What am I doing? What is that? Oh, they're showing the mistake that we make on writing CSS. So this is good because it will help you to write good CSS on your application. The selector, and then they're using that, and selector, then unchild out, and then CSS. Transform background, transition. What am I mean transition? I mean transform, for sake. Foo. What is foo? Foo is someone who have some contribution on programming, I guess, because I have heard this before, and I saw this name for so many times, so that's why I just embark these two person. I think these are two persons that helped to do something on web. That's why I see these names again and again. Not Ut. Who is Ut? Okay, I'm on the bottom of this section, so I'm gonna ignore that. I'm gonna close this one. I will leave it to you guys. Read this documentations, read this sections and news, because this will help you to get more knowledge on development. If you are a developer, feel free to read these things out, and I'll get you guys in the next one. Till then, bye. I'm gonna sleep right now. Take care.